Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job on QuickBooks. So first head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse and click on Customers and Leads. Now to add a job, of course, you have to have an existing customer. So you can choose from your existing customers if you already have. But if you don't, you can easily create one by clicking on New Customer. Now fill in details about your customer, fill in details about their name and contact information. Next is make sure that you tick this box that this customer is a sub-customer. The next is, of course, since we have made this customer a sub-customer, we're going to need to add a parent customer. So choose from your existing customers. Also check if this is also the bill parent customer. Then next, under the company name, you're going to need to enter the job position or job title for this customer. Then once done, head over and click on the save button. Just by doing that, you have now successfully added a job on QuickBooks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!